Hello and welcome back to Whiteland Restorations.
Midweek update.
Midweek updates. We love these midweek updates.
They're really good, aren't they?
They are nice.
It lets us show you what's going on without having to do a full feature-length episode.
Not a lot going on this week, I'm afraid.
I don't know so much. There's quite a bit going on in the Volvo and Worky Work.
Worky work is going on.
Yeah.
The Volvo is interior stuff, and as easy as it sounds, just throwing all this stuff back in it's not so easy.
Do you know what? Looking back, I wish I'd have labelled more things. Yeah. I know I've always bagged things up and we didn't label any wires because we thought it's a Volvo, it's so simple.
It is simple.
But
simple Simons. But the plugs, there are plugs that connect together that don't look like they should connect together, and it's like, I don't know if they should connect together or not.
Yeah, but you're like, they look the right length, they don't go anywhere else.
Yeah, I know, it's weird.
We'll just have to see if it works when we plug it all together.
Maybe that's why I didn't start last time I tried to start it, because I'd unplugged something important.
Possibly. That big plug under the dash that you said looks important.
Don't mention that.
Should we have a look at what we've been getting up to in there?
Go on then.
Yeah, let's have a look. I don't know if you remember quite a few episodes back, I covered the rear parcel shelf in Alcantara.
That was a long time ago.
It was a long time. Come and have a look. It's in.
What do you mean? There's nothing in there, just floor pans and tools.
Have a look up here.
What a mess.
What a mess. Oh
Hello.
My God.
Less of a mess.
Less of a mess.
Apart from the mess you left on there.
No, let me move these. These are them, but in black, that I got from Volvo. They still had these in stock. Can you believe it? But look at that. That is one sexy looking parcel shelf. Isn't it good? And the seatbelt boxes, they've been strengthened because they're so weak.
They're very weak, and they spend their entire life sitting in the sun going, make me more fragile.
Make me more weak. So they've been covered in Alcantara as well. So this is all really good.
And it does look very nice. Weirdly enough, the parcel shelf didn't fit.
No, it was 20mm too long for some reason. There's no way there was an extra 20mm of material on the sides. But Lewis had to
trim quite a lot off to make it fit quite nicely.
But look, doesn't it flow nice? Alcantara here.
It goes really nicely with the black leather
black
and
trims.
everything. Yeah,
these trims are
really
in.
nice. Yeah.
It's just starting to feel more like a proper car again.
Yeah, it's going together nicely.
Yeah.
Nicely. There's a couple bits I'd like to maybe have another go. I might pull this out and because if you look down there in the vents with the camera light, you can see the blue paint. So I might just get that black that up.
Sticky. Right, so that's that. In the boots, we got stretch carpets put in. I don't know. Do you know what? It's been a long time since I've been in here. Yeah, look, see, there's more bits in here. There's door card bits. Oh, light. I'm going to put a light strip around the boot.
Oh, look. Dynex. What we haven't got to do in this interior episode is door cards, because they are a little bit dirty, and they are waiting at home for us to wash them up. There's a tiny repair on the door card to do.
But they'll finish these off a treat. Wires are already in for the speakers.
And the central lock-in.
Central lock-in's already in. Door cards, and that's the doors done then, really.
Basically.
Sneak peek of this Sunday's episode.
No sneak peek. This has been done. This was last week's episode.
Was it?
Yeah, we've just gone. Finished the axle.
But isn't it gorgeous? That's going in soon. Might be getting a buddy of ours to come around and help put the suspension on underneath.
Yes, we've met him before.
Yes, we have.
A240 GLT is coming back.
He's coming back.
Hopefully.
And he's getting bribed with some tasty treats to chuck everything on, and we'll get it on its wheels again with lowered suspension. That's going to be good. But if you have a look, there are still acres and acres of parts.
Yeah, there's trailing arm parts, there's calipers, there's lots of bits there. That's the new section. Don't look at the sweets.
That's Lewis's selection box for Christmas. There's a pig.
Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff everywhere.
There's trim over here.
The Volvo is now taking up 3 car parking spaces in the workshop. So once all this stuff is in the Volvo, it is going to gain us more space.
Yes.
We do have a Supra to come in.
That needs to come in out of the weather.
Focus.
Yes, I was supposed to say Focus. Let's go have a look at the worky work. Oh, is she sleeping?
Oh, Snoozy baby.
Come and have a look at what Lewis has been up to during the week. Well, what do we have here?
We have a black RS Focus.
We certainly do. Well, the shell anyway. The panels are going to be black next week, hopefully, if everything goes to plan. But
yeah.
Look at this. Oh, hello, Lewis. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Gun finish. Don't look at all this polishing equipment behind me. Totally gun finish.
No, it's beautiful. It is stunning. It really is.
Might have had a run.
If you don't have a run, are you even trying?
Yeah, exactly. Well,
exactly.
It was cold.
Cold.
I've got a long list of painters' excuses. Mm-hmm. It's a roll. It's about a 5 mile roll.
Atmospheric pressure.
Atmospheric pressure. The moon was the other side of the planet.
Oh,
so it was
tides.
Extra gravity.
Exactly. Exactly.
Temperature was too low. Low. I could go on. I could go on.
But no, Lewis has been working super hard. So we'll get. This was only supposed to be a really quick job.
It's also inside an engine bay is also done.
Yep.
I don't know when did they see it last?
Did you see that? I don't know.
Last?
No, you're not ripping the
I'm
plastic.
not going to tear the plastic off now.
Look, we've got a couple of wings there. Need do. It's on. It's nearly there. It's going to be.
There. We're on the final push now. The car has had its stage 1 compounding, and it can now leave the clean area and go into the dirty area, and I can crack on with prepping all the panels and get it done. And the reason why I've done it separately, normally with all the painting and then do all the polishing, is because the car sat over a weekend. I painted it Friday, and I polished it on Monday, and because it had a nice time,
curing
session, and if I left it too long, it gets a bit harder to polish. The lacquer's a bit harder, so it was at just the right point in time to have an easy day polishing.
Yeah, it was perfect.
And it was a day.
But it is worth it. Look at that, isn't it? You could lose yourself in that black. Oh.
Yeah, so that's the Focus.
And that's where we are at the moment.
Yeah, we've focused mainly on that.
Get out.
Okay.
No, getting a lot of inquiries about Fiesta Fridays. They are coming back. We are just trying to clear the backlog of work we've got at the moment.
Yeah, we've got no more room for any work coming in the near future.
No, books are closed, I'm afraid. Thank you for all the inquiries and everything. We just physically can't fit any more work in.
Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to turn people down because I love to help people out, but I'm afraid no is a full sentence.
There's only one pair of hands at the moment. I'm with the little one, as you know. I'm trying to get in as much as I can, but it's not easy, is it?
It's not easy.
No, it's not easy. That's it then. We shall see you on Sunday with which video's coming out after this? Oh, the Underseal video.
Is this tomorrow's video?
This video is today's video because it's Wednesday.
It's not Wednesday, it's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday, this is tomorrow's video, and then the video that's coming out on Sunday is the ultimate chassis protection, which is a good video.
We love a bit of chassis protection.
We do. Right then, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, tell your friends, and
ciao.
Ciao.